Hello students, let's begin our GK online class. Today we are going to do unit world around and the name of the chapter is natural features. वो features जो naturally develop हुए हैं on our earth and it is given at page number 41. So let us start. Our earth is made up of many natural features. Given below are the brief description of some of these natural features. Unscramble the latter to get the correct name. So let us start at very first place, a deep and narrow river valley with steep bank. एक डीप और जो बहुत गहरी और नैरो होती है संकरी रिवर वैली है. सो इट इज़ और इसके बैंक कैसे हैं, इसके किनारे कैसे हैं, बहुत स्टीप हैं. एंड द वर्ड विल बिकम कैनियन. सो यू विल राइट canyon is the word. Next is a triangular shaped piece of land. एक लैंड, एक धरती का टुकड़ा जो किस शेप में है, ट्रायंगुलर में है. Formed by the sediments on the mouth of the river, often projecting into a sea or a lake. So we have to frame a word and the word will become, I think it will become delta. Yes, it's the correct answer. It will become delta. A jet of hot water or stream periodically thrown up by a hot spring found in this region. And we have to just sort it out, unscramble the word, that it will become geyser, as you are having geyser in your bathrooms. So it is having a jet of hot water or stream. Geyser. A valley formed by sinking of land. एक वैली जो कैसे बनी है, सिंकिंग ऑफ लैंड, जब जो एक अर्थ है वहाँ पर डूब गई थी. बिटवीन टू रफली पैरेलल फॉल्स एंड द नेम विल बिकम वैली है. सो इट विल बिकम, दिस वर्ड विल बिकम वैली एंड इट विल बिकम रिफ्ट वैली. सो यू विल मेंशन द वर्ड rift valley. Next is a rift with a fold and almost perpendicular front normally applied to the steep slopes bordering a river, and the word will become bluff. You will mention it here, bluff. Okay. A chain, cluster or collection of island. It's so interesting to know that we are finding chain, cluster or collection of island. So the word will become archipelago. So you will mention it here, archipelago is the correct answer. Next is a bend or curve in any geographical feature. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, bight, B-I-G-H-T. A long narrow inlet with steep sides or cliffs. So it will become fjord. The spellings carefully you should write, F-J-O-R-D, but you will pronunciate it as fjord. Okay. So I hope class that you have enjoyed this chapter. Here we are having additional information. Do you know Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa. अफ्रीका में सबसे बड़ी लेक कौन सी है, लेक विक्टोरिया. एंड इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द नाइल रिवर सिस्टम, और ये नाइल रिवर सिस्टम का भी एक पार्ट है. सो आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि नाइल रिवर कितनी बड़ी होगी. सो आई होप क्लास यू हैव एंजॉयड द लेसन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. गुड.